Okay, a real good value for money brand is Beko. It's our second biggest group brand in the business. Very well made. They're really good value for money. This is a 9 kilogram condenser tumble dryer. Lots of people like to use a dryer throughout the year. You know, you can finish off your towels and things and they'll be fluffy and soft. And if we do get that wet Wednesday when you need school uniform or work uniform, obviously it's there and ready to go. With a condenser, the steam's turned back into water and goes into a tank, which you just tip away after every use. There's a fluff filter inside, which again, you check after every use. Just clean off the lint, the sort of fluff that's come off of your clothes. And if that's kept clean, then that will allow the air to flow through. This product comes with a year's warranty, parts and labour. But if you register, you can actually get a free 10-year parts warranty. You still get 1 year on the labour, and maybe in the future you might like to increase the labour with a service plan. The thing with the condenser, it just has a little condenser compartment in here, and these will need to be cleaned probably once every 2 to 3 months. Literally just stand it in the sink, tip some water through it, get rid of any fluff. Again, it's all about keeping the flow of air nice and smooth, and that way you get much quicker drying. So 9 kilo sensor condenser dryer. If you click on the link, it'll have all the details. It's B energy rated, so it's pretty good for a dryer. And as I say, we can do the delivery, we can dispose of old products, whatever you need, the services are there.